Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today is Monday and market just opened flat. Gold tested around at 1788 and the lows around 1780. Before starting today's trade, make sure you watch weekly analysis. Weekly analysis is very important. So make sure you give it a watch. The link is in description. I have covered in detail what exactly market could go regarding this new corona variant in my weekly analysis video. So make sure you watch that before proceeding for today's trade. Currently gold prices are trading 1784. Nothing is changed in gold prices. Market is trading pretty much flat since morning. So let's see how it does proceed. So let me give you the resistance and support for today, then we will move further. And MCX levels are at the end of this video. So make sure you watch full video if you are trading in MCX. 1775 will act as support in gold prices today. If gold breaks 1775 and sustain below that level, then expect 1760 and 1750. Resistance at 1792. Above 1792 current, if market break and sustain above that level, then expect 1800 and 1810. Gold prices is trading in mild positive zone, so trade accordingly. Do not overreact and go for buy. Market seems to be very stable and flat. It is stable, no doubt, but it is flat as well, so trade accordingly. Don't go with bulk quantity. So let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Currently silver is trading 2251. It made high around 2261 and low around 2249. So even silver is trading in 10 cent zone. Silver weekly analysis is also updated in weekly video, so make sure you give it a watch. Currently it is trading in flat to positive zone. Let me give you the resistance and support. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading 67.80, 67.60. It made high around 68.20 today and low around 66.39. So crude oil had a pretty busy day today. Let's move on to resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. 68.50 will act as resistance now. If market breaks 68.50 and sustain above that level, then expect 69.50 and $71. 66.20 will act as support now. Below 66.20, expect 65 and $64. Currently, crude oil is trading in weak zone. Despite trading almost 2% up from Friday's closing, crude oil is in weak zone. So trade accordingly and do not go for buy till market is holding below 68.50. Only above 68.50 we might see some breather for buyers. Otherwise, expect another crash in crude oil price once again. So let's move on to forex. First we will see euro. This is euro, currently trading well below 1300 and trading in a weak zone. Let's move on to resistance and support. 1310 will act as resistance now. If market break 1310 and sustain above that level, then expect euro to test up to 1330 and 1350. Support at 1270. Below 1270 expect 1250 and 1220. Currently it is in flat to weak zone, so trade accordingly. Now let's move on to another forex pair, British pound. This is British pound, currently trading 32.35. It is also trading in weak zone, so let's find out the resistance and support. After this British pound we will see Bitcoin and MCX levels. 32.80 will act as resistance now. If market break 32.80 and sustain above that level, then only we will see some fresh buying up to 33.20 and 33.50. Support at 32.10. Below 32.10 expect 31.70 and 31.50. Currently it is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin and these are the levels from last week. So obviously they need an tweak. Let me tweak the levels because these levels are not valid as of now. Resistance stands at $52,800. $52,800. Support stands at $47,500. Let me give you the week. Bitcoin trend. We all know what is that because it has crashed more than 10-12%. So it is in weak zone. Trade accordingly. Now let's move on to Indian market levels, MCX levels. This is Mcx Gold chart, 47,950. Currently prices are trading. The chart is a bit messy because of major gap down and gap up in MCX, and that too due to USD INR. Usually USD INR plays a major role in Indian market. So make sure you watch MCX level after 5 p.m. once USD INR is closed. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post. Just click the join button to view the community post after 5 p.m. Let's move on to MCX Gold first now. MCX Gold support at 47,800 rupees. Resistance stands at 48,180 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. levels can be seen in community post. Silver is trading 61,660 rupees. Silver support stands at 61,100 rupees. 61,100. Silver resistance stands at 62,300 rupees. And don't forget, these levels will be refreshed around 5 p.m. And make sure you follow my live stream as well. Usually I live stream Monday to Friday, 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is listed in my description. And if you are new to trading and if you are still learning, make sure you watch my trading psychology videos. Links are in the description, and you can also check uncharted videos, uncharting videos in playlist as well. Make sure you give it a watch and leave a comment in comment section. And if you are enjoying this kind of videos, let me know your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. If you have already commented, then make sure you watch this video completely and do leave a comment once again. Now I will see you in my live stream, which is 6:30 p.m. today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.